How to convert a video to a landscape view in CapCut. So if you have vertical video and now you need to manage somehow to rotate it to the landscape view, I'm going to show you how you can do this using CapCut. Let's get started. So firstly, let's open up the app and click New Project on the top. Now just go through your videos to find the one you need to rotate to the landscape view. I'm gonna tap on that and click Add. So here what you're gonna do is you can see this one is in the portrait view. So we're gonna swipe down on that panel until we can see aspect ratio. Tap on that. And then you'll see suggested options for the portrait view and for the landscape view. So if you want to rotate it for YouTube, for example, you can use this one, 16:9. This is the suggested aspect ratio for the YouTube. Or you can select any other option for the landscape view. There are plenty of them, as you can see. We have 2:1, 2.35:1, and so on. So tap on those options. And now we have those black stripes near the video because we just converted to the landscape view. So what you can do is you can tap on the timeline and you can just zoom in the video. You can also use the pinch gesture to adjust the position just like that. But as you can see, it cuts a lot of the original video. In my case, it's still looking pretty good, but in your case, it could cut a lot of details. So you can just zoom out as it was before and you can fulfill those black stripes so it will look a little bit better. So what you can do here is you can add an overlay. Just go back in the same setting and here find overlay, then click add overlay and you can add some photos. For example, I can add Labubu. I can move it to this side of the video. I can add another overlay and add this Labubu and drag it to the right side. And with this way, just like fulfill the video, but of course, don't forget to drag the right hand of the photo right till the end, so the photo will stay till the end of the video. And this is how it will look. Then click on export and wait for the video to be downloaded to your gallery. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.